Hi! In front of me is LENOVO Tab Extreme, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and blue sweater next to Use Autofill with Google. As you can see, after that my sweater and all of those features are gray. That means that Google Autofill is definitely off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!